DT60M is a laser distance meter manufactured by Extech. It can measure from 5 mm up to 60 meters. In the box, we have a multi-language user manual which we strongly recommend to read, and two AAA batteries. The meter has a durable and compact design with a spirit level on. To power on the device, press and hold the measure button for a second. Longer press on power on will give you access to boot menu, where you can calibrate and turn on and off the sound or the display. For area and volume measurements, press the cube. For indirect measurements, press the triangle on the right. The animation on the left shows you the current measurement. Additionally, the LDM can store up to 20 measurements, add and subtract measurements, switch between imperial or metric units, and change the reference point. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME, you need it, we have it.